We will be starting to make a 3D frame out of paper, and I'll show you how to do 3D work with this paper. So the picture that we have selected from the internet is this. We would ideally want three pictures of it on a 180 GSM paper. So you can select any picture. I like this picture, that's the reason I picked it up. We need a frame. This is a 6 by 5.5 inch frame that I will be making this miniature 2D frame in. What else we require for this is the basic thing is the punch. I use this punch from EK. This is to make the roses. This is for the flowers of the roses. You will need a knife, scale, ball tool if you have, some scissors. I use this distress ink which will be required to color a few things, normal glue. Yeah, so this is the requirement to make this 3D. Most of the things that you see would be available in any of the craft stores. This might be difficult. These two punches you can search it online, and you also need one sheet to to emboss the embossing sheet. So these are the requirements on how to make a 3D miniature frame.